today is 1/12/22. We're dealing with a 2000 Tahoe 5.7 liter with a 5.7 liter, and it's a Z71. So we dropped the distributor in and got the top dead center there, and then we also marked this is a top dead center, so we don't have to go down there and check it out. But it is a top dead center. We dropped in the distributor, and we used one of the new distributor, and it came with this rotor and distributor cap, aftermarket. And then we got the oil pump to seal all the way down, and gear, and then the pointer of the distributor cap is pointing to number 1. So now we're going to start up and see how well it does. I just fixed number 8 and number 4 spark plug wires where it clicks into the distributor cap. It was rusty, and either it had a bad connection there or the distributor cap is bad. Anyways, here's the old distributor cap, an AC Delco one, and I couldn't get this one out. It was rusted in there, so I had to take out the distributor cap and drill it out. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see, we'll start up. Wow, starts up. Shut down. Start up again. Does seem to start up easy. Feels like I have a little miss here. It shakes. Anyways, that's a good sign. It started up easier than before. We'll shut down again. And we'll start up. I did that again where it was difficult to start. Alright, let's put a scanner on there and look at the cam gear, cam sensor, and see if it's 0 degrees when it's above 1,000 RPM.